No visa sponsorship needed to get a job in Germany. I'm Ro from Find a Job in Germany, and I'm here together with my partner, George. Jörg, how are you doing?
Very good, Ro. Thank you so much for having me.
Good to have you. Guys, today we want to talk about the big thing. Do I need visa sponsorship to get a job in Germany? Yes or no? Jörg, tell us.
It's one of the top 10 frequently asked questions since the beginning of Fudging, I would say. Everybody wants to know visa sponsorship. Do I need that? Do I get that? Which companies provide that? And of course, the reason why everybody talks about this question is because you're looking at job descriptions that use that term on a daily basis.
Yeah, and you also know from UK that you need it, or from other countries you need it in order to get the foot into the market. But Germany is different.
Exactly. And I would even say from our perspective, from where we stand, visa sponsorship isn't even a thing. Visa sponsorship is a nice to have because there are, I would say from experience, correct me if I'm wrong, about 20 to 30% of the companies that will totally let you get your visa by yourself, and they're not going to be involved in that whatsoever. They might fill out some forms. That's it. You're going to do everything by yourself.
So, learning, it is possible to get your own visa, and the company does not need to support you.
Exactly.
That means for all the developers out there outside of Europe, what do they actually need?
The legal basis for you to successfully apply and get your visa from the German diplomatic mission in your home country is an employment contract, not an offer letter, a work and employment contract. We're talking about a normally 7, 8, 9, 10 page long document, PDF, that is co-signed by both parties, you and your employer, which specifically states your designation, your role, your salary,
Your starting date,
and that your physical presence is required in Germany. That is it.
Easy, right? And you will also get more checklists and insights when you apply for the visa at your embassy. Please make sure that you have a deep understanding what you need to submit. Sometimes it varies from embassy to embassy, so you need to be careful on that as well.
Exactly. Now, what does that practically mean? You're going to be interviewing with companies, and you are going to be looking at companies that will have experience hiring internationally, and they will maybe source that process out to an agency. There's companies like Visa Right or Localize. We know them all because we've done this so many years. Technically, that is something that they will be doing because they would just want to take that off their plates. Then there are companies that have total experience doing that in-house. The HR person that is in touch with you will do it for you, and they might ask you a few things. And then again, we see it every time, and it also works quite smoothly. There's no support at all. There's no relocation support. There's no sponsorship at all. People in our program just get their blue card visa stamp. That's what it actually is in the very end, by themselves.
Perfect. So then you're almost here. The visa process also speeded up during the last month. We're really happy to observe that. And then let's finish it up, huh?
Yeah,
and
exactly.
Looking forward to have you maybe also in our program. If you are interested to join it, then please contact us. You find the link below our video, and then we will assess your profile and see if we can support you. Thank you very much for watching, and all the best. Take care.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye.